Okay, back at it again with another video. In this video, we're gonna write a rap song, but we're gonna do things a little different. So let's get to it. So let's go to ChatGPT. Well, we're on ChatGPT, so let's just get to it. Right? Oh, well, let's do this. Create 10 original. Remember to put original rap song titles. Okay, damn, that was fast. As you can see, ChatGPT already created 10 original rap song titles for us. So, say you don't like any of these songs: Born Hustlers, Rise and Grind, Money Moves, No Time for Haters. Just regenerate. Well, it gave us the same, but a little different one. Say you don't like those, do it again. I'm sorry. But now let's choose a song. Let's just go with Money on My Mind. Right? And original rap song about quotation money on my mind. Okay, as you can see, it gave us the first verse, a pre-chorus. Okay, the original chorus, the verse, pre-chorus. Okay, now it should give us an outro as well. It might. Okay, as you can see, it gave us a verse, a chorus, a verse, a chorus, so on and so on. Money on my mind every day. Money on my mind every single day. Gotta hustle hard, gotta find a way. Can't sit back, can't waste no time. Gotta chase my dream, gotta climb that climb. That sound crazy. But as you can see, it wrote us a rap song. But I wanted it to write me a full verse. See, this is not a full verse. This is not a full chorus. So let's get it to write 8-bar chorus. Alright, so it should write us a whole 8-bar chorus, as you can see, instead of just this. So I wrote us a full 8-bar chorus. Right now, let's get it to write us a 16-bar verse. 16-bar verse. Don't forget to add the dash in between. Now, as you can see, it's writing us a full verse instead of this is like 8 bars. It might be 4 at the most. Yeah, that's like full bars. So as you can see, ChatGPT wrote us a whole 16-bar verse. So remember to write a 16-bar verse, but add the dash. Don't forget the dash. And with the chorus as well. Don't forget to add the dash. And it's going to spit out a full verse, a full chorus, and it's gonna spit out a full verse. But sometimes ChatGPT be tripping and it don't want to spit this out, don't want to generate a full chorus. So just keep pressing generate or try to start a new ChatGPT and do the exact same steps, and it should give you a full verse. A full chorus and a full verse. So okay, let's try another one. Let's see what it's gonna do with another song. Okay, Street Smart. But let's try something different. I want you to act as a songwriter and write I'm gonna put it right in original rap song about what was the song? I mean, okay. I want you to act as a songwriter and write an original rap song about street smart. What this being why I put this in the front is because I'm telling ChatGPT to act as a songwriter instead of just telling it to write a song. See up here I say write a song, write an original rap song about money on my mind, and that's what it did. But for me telling it to act as a songwriter, it's gonna spit out something totally different, a totally different style, a more engaging song. So let's see. But sometimes it be tripping. But let's just get to it. Yeah. With these softwares, these all these different AI softwares, you gotta get it to work for you. As you can see, ChatGPT wrote us an original rap song, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, so on and outro. But it's not writing a full verse. So I just we go copy. I don't feel like typing over. We go copy. I just put that because it might do something different. Okay, as you can see, it wrote us the 8-bar chorus. So let's try the 16-bar verse. Bam. It should write us a whole 16-bar verse. Yeah, like right here. But sometimes it be tripping, so just regenerate it. Well, this time it didn't trip. As you can see, it wrote a full verse, like in the last part, like up here. So, damn, this program powerful. Oh my god. So if you're a rapper, songwriter, producer, A&R, and you want to write a rap song, just use ChatGPT. If I'm an A&R and I want to get into the songwriting space, I just write. I just use ChatGPT and start writing music. And for you songwriters that get songwriters block, just come here and just use ChatGPT to help you out. But don't use this. Always change it, making it to your own. Don't keep it. Don't just start rapping this chorus and think it's yours. No, this is not yours. ChatGPT is using all type of things from different websites. So always change this chorus into your own. Change this verse into your own. Just change up some of the words and make it your own. With that being said, I'm out.